Hi, welcome to Foodzone. My name's Duncan and this is a quick video to show you how to use the custom food feature. The custom food feature allows you to be able to add a food that doesn't belong to the database that you're using, and then you'll be able to use this new custom food with a single client or across all of your clients. And to create a custom food, you need to come up here to the create box and click create custom food, and then this will load up the create custom food page, and you need to give the new food a name, so let's call it custom food 1, and also we can give this custom food a portion size. So let's say we're going to have a serve or a portion size called cup, and we'll give that, we know the weight of that cup is going to be 100 grams. So we put in the weight in grams and we click this tick box here, which is really important to save that new portion size. And then we have a new portion size here called cup. So when we go to use this custom food, we can either enter in 1 gram or 2 grams, or we can enter in 1 cup or 2 cups, and we can have as many portion sizes as we like. We're able to assign an amount per 100 grams to each nutrient. And we do that down here in the nutrients section. And in this section you see that we're using the OzNut 2007 database, and currently all of the nutrients have a question mark, which means that if you leave them a question mark, then a null value will be entered in the database. So only the values that you assign will be there. So when you then use this custom food, you will not be getting a value for that item. So for example, let's say that we're entering this custom food has, per 100 grams, has 50 mils of fluid, and also the energy with fiber, which is the one that we use mostly, is 100 kilojoules per 100 grams. And we come down here and push create food, and then we'll be taken to a page that says, do we want to add another food, view your foods, or back to the food page. So we can go back to the food page, and then on the food page what we can do is we can now use this custom food. All custom foods will be tagged at the front of the word with cust, like so. So we can see here that I've got custom food 1, which we just made, but also some of these other foods that I've made. So let's choose custom food 1, push tab, and then that will load up the portion choices. And now we can see that there's this cup portion that I made in the custom food section. So let's choose 1 cup, push tab, and that will enter the food into the food page. And what we'll see here is that this cup worth of food will be assigned. You can see here is this custom food, 1 cup worth, weighs 100 grams, because we said a cup was going to weigh 100 grams. And that means that every 100 grams is also going to have 50 mils of water, and it's going to have 100 kilojoules of energy. But all of the other values are 0 value. So that's how you use the custom foods. Another part of the custom foods is you can push view custom foods here. Now this custom food that we just created, custom food 1, is only going to be available for this client, which is Duncan Hunter. If we want to have this food available for another client, what we'll need to do is we need to go load up another client. Let's load up Mary Jane. Now if we go to Mary Jane and we push cust, you'll see that there is no custom foods. So if we go in here and we go view custom foods, we'll see all of the foods available to the clinician who is the owner of this account. So let's just say I want to add the one that we just made called custom food 1, and I click this arrow here, and now it'll be available for this Mary Jane. So if I go back to Mary Jane's food page and I put in cust, then we can see that that food will now be available to enter in Mary Jane's page. So in summary, custom foods is a way for you to be able to add foods that aren't in the database, and you can press create to create a custom food, or you can view the custom foods that are already available for this particular client and also for the owner of the account. And if you have any other further questions, please feel free to go to the support page or pop us an email.